You're probably wondering if this is a good candle making set for a beginner. The short answer is yes, and here's everything you need to know about it before buying it. I actually invested in this kit when I was in the beginning of making candles. I was trying to figure out if I liked making candles. I would say one of the biggest benefits to this kit is that right off the bat, it gives you the main tools that you need to start candle making, which includes a melting pot, a hot plate, a little silicone hot pad, and one of these thermometers. It also came with a little stirring spoon that I cannot find, but that is included in this product. What I appreciated about this kit is the fact that all of those main tools are included in the kit and you don't have to buy all the things separately. The hot plate was really easy to use. You just plug it up into the wall. It's currently set to off right here, but it does have different settings that you can turn it to should you need to turn up the heat. And when you do so, this little red light right here is going to turn on. Not sure how well this is going to pick up on camera, but this melting pot does have milliliters listed on it already. Maximum amount on here being 900 milliliters. And that is listed on the inside of the melting pot. And as you can see, I need to wash this. The common question is whether or not this kit is beginner friendly. And after personally using it for so long, I would say you cannot get more beginner friendly than this kit. It is super convenient, especially for people who do not have any candle making tools. The only thing to note with this kit is that wax is not included. So you are going to have to purchase a couple of essential tools like wax, fragrances, containers. It really depends on the product that you're making. So if you're looking to get into candle making or other DIY crafts and projects, this kit is going to be a solid option for you.